Hello everyone, this is part 2 of our tutorial series that I'm going to do on relinking an Avid sequence inside Davinci Resolve using an AAF file. In the first video, I have showed the best practices for locking a cut and how to get your sequence organized. If you want to see the part 1 of this tutorial series, please check on the link in the description below. How to get your sequence organized and output a AAF file and reference video which we will be using while we bring Avid sequence into Davinci Resolve. In this part of the video, we are going to see how to recreate that Avid sequence using an AAF file inside Davinci Resolve. Without further ado, let's move on to the process. First, open your Davinci Resolve. Create a new project. I am naming this project as conforming_tutorial and press create. Now our project is created. Step 1. I am going to create two bins inside our master bin. One is clips and the other one is timeline. I am going to import all our source footage into the clips bin. There you go. Now everything is imported into our clips bin. Step 2. Right now I am inside my timeline bin. Right click on your mouse, go to timeline, then choose import, then choose import AAF. Browse to the AAF file we have exported from Avid Media Composer and select the file and click on open. Now in load AAF dialog box, uncheck automatically import source clips into the media pool. This will prevent the sequence from importing the low resolution files that we used inside Avid Media Composer, and make sure to check on link to source camera files. This will look for the source file for our sequence inside our media pool and it will relink them automatically. Click on OK. It will ask you where to search for the source clips inside media pool. I want to search everywhere in my media pool, so I have selected the master bin so that by default everything is selected. If you press OK, you can see a log data that shows up. This is nothing but Davinci Resolve tells you some effects and transitions we created inside Avid Media Composer is not found inside Davinci Resolve. This is not going to be a problem because we are going to recreate those transitions and effects manually inside Davinci Resolve. Now step 3. Go inside your timeline bin, browse to the reference video we created from Avid. Now we have to import this video file as an offline reference file. In order to do that, select the video, right click on it and then select add as offline reference clip. See, the video is imported into a bin as an offline reference clip. You can see a checker mark is on that file. This means that this file is an offline reference clip. Now click on our main timeline, right click on it, go to timelines, then go to link offline reference clip. You can see your offline reference clip listed here. Now select that. Now your offline reference video is synced to your timeline. Step 4. Come to the edit page. Below the source viewer, you can see a drop down menu. Click on it and choose offline. Now the reference video is displayed in the source viewer and you can view your timeline playback in the timeline viewer. This will play the offline reference clip along with my sequence. This way you can check your sequence side by side while fixing those missing effects, frames and transitions. In the top right of the timeline viewer, make sure that the source timecode is displayed. If it's not displayed, right click on it and choose source timecode. This will help you to check the source timecode displayed in the reference video with the source timecode of the confirmed sequence. Step 5. Now go through clip by clip and make sure that every frame is the same as it is shown in the reference video. Then recreate the transition and effects as it is in the reference file. I have created all my effects and transition, so what you are seeing is a time lapse of how I created my transition and effects inside Davinci Resolve. So once you finish them, the conforming is over. So this is how conforming is done inside Davinci Resolve. If you like the video, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To stay connected, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you have any technical difficulties and suggestions, please let us know in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.